guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time, but there's been a lot going on. First things first, if you came from the Mustang video, thank you so much. I gained a lot of subscribers. I'm gonna check that right now actually. The video itself is at 631,000 views. That's my most viewed video ever. Is this thing getting blurry again? I don't know why it keeps doing that. 631,000 views. Let's see how many subscribers I gained from that. I gained 2.7 thousand subscribers off that one video. I promise you guys, if I can, I'm gonna do more car videos. Well, I know I will be able to do more car videos. You will see why if you stay tuned. I keep saying I have stuff planned, but I do. Sometimes things doesn't work out. I did try to film a video on a car, and I forgot some equipment, so I got to film the second half of that video. Hopefully the car's still at the dealership. You will learn about my new job soon, and that's going to be a big help in all my new content. I'm going to do more motorcycle content, more moto vlogs. I got a series planned in my head that I want to do, and we'll be doing a video, the one you're watching right now, on this helmet. So thank you for 8,000 subscribers. Holy crap, we made it. Without further ado, this is my new helmet, the K1S. It is freaking amazing, and I'm going to tell you why I chose the K1S. All right, the K1S. I chose this because, so I was looking at helmets. I've always wanted a new helmet. I had the LS2, which is a little bit cheaper. That wore out pretty quick, and my chin would hang out the bottom. So if you were looking at me while I was riding or like talking to me, you could see my chin hanging out, my beard and some of my chin, and it just wasn't comfortable. It always lifted up in my head. It was really tight when I first got it, and it was like it fit snug when I have it, but like when I wore it, it would fit snug, but it was weird because it would just lift up when you start going to speeds. It would just like start pulling me, and my chin was really hanging out. I could stick my tongue out if I wanted to, and I hated that. I always wanted a new helmet and never really had the money to get what I wanted. So I was looking at Rocks. I went to the Atlas, what was it, 4.0, something like that. Wanted that. Didn't end up going with that, obviously. Went with the Agv because I saw they had, actually I had tried a Scorpio on because we have this dealership that has a ton of helmets. Iron Pony. Went there, tried a Scorpio, something 14, EX 1400, something like that, ST 1400. Tried that on, it fit great. It went right down here, past my chin, carbon fiber, really nice helmet. It wasn't as plush as this, so I didn't get to try this on. I went back there, I found this online. I actually think I found the K5 first, and I found the K1S, it was a little bit less expensive. Went to Iron Pony to see if they had Agv. They only had like a few of them. Tried on, I think I tried it on a large K1S, and I was like, this thing feels great. It's like, has that, what do you call it, a beak that kind of dips down. So that definitely goes past my chin. I love the design of this. Like, look at that. Like, look how mean that looks. Looks like a race helmet. I love this. I always wanted a helmet with that. I always wanted an Agv too because I really like Agv. So tried that on, and I was like, boom, I want an Agv. I actually ordered one. It was a small. Put it on way too small because I measured it, and it said I was supposed to order a small or something, whatever the sizes went. I don't know. It was weird because they had like, before they had like medium small and medium large or small, something like, it was weird. Got this one in. Absolutely love it. And my buddy got a Rock. He got the new Rock carbon fiber one that I wanted, and I tried that one on. It was tight and it felt hard on the inside. This one feels comfy, like a new shoe. Smells good. I love everything about it. You put it on, it just feels like really, I don't know how to explain it. It just feels like high quality stuff. And the Rock was big, like it's like the shell is actually bulky, and it was light because it was a carbon fiber helmet, but I don't know, something about it. I put it on and it just felt hard. This one, you put it on, has this little neck roll part that kind of like cups you right here a little bit, and it smells good. It's soft and plush. That's the word I'm looking for, plush. Rock wasn't that plush, and it was kind of like some of his outer pieces, like trim pieces, were kind of like coming off, and it still felt like it was felt like a hype company, really. But I'm not like shit talking Rock or anything like that. I would love to actually have one because they have some really cool designs, but I ended up going with this because it fits better. I got a little scratch up there, I just realized that. And oh my gosh, why does it keep getting blurry? And the this one has the beak right here, and it completely covers my chin because I guess I have a long face. I didn't think I had a long face, but I guess I do according to motorcycle helmets. And it is pin lock ready. These vents work really good, like really good. These vents work really good. And this front one, which is behind my camera, is controlled inside here. You put your finger in there and you flick it up, flick it down. That works really well. Has a little visor stop. You can put your visor, you can vent it, visor vent stop thing. What else? Only one gripe with this helmet. I hope this video hasn't been blurry because I'm not refilming, I'm not reshooting this. These Canons have terrible focus problems, always have. Only gripe is when I wear, like say, it doesn't happen with my riding jacket, but if I had a North Face jacket on one time and the wind would pick up and go behind my jacket and make it look like it was like I was a Ninja Turtle, you know what I mean? Like you get that pocket and then the air would come up through my neck, behind my neck, and hit this spoiler right here. And that was not fun. And it was shaking my head like crazy. It felt like somebody had an air hammer. It didn't feel like, but it looked like when you get up to the speed on the highway, it was just like somebody had an air hammer in your hand and it was shaking really fast, or a jackhammer, whatever you want to call, where it vibrates really fast. That was not fun. Did not like that. So I had to pull my jacket, pull my jacket like this, and then it stopped. But I don't know. It works great. Has the pockets in there for your comms already. You can put your comms in there. I can hear everything. It is absolutely amazing. Let's go to the riding portion.
All right, we are on the bike now, and I gotta say, I love it. I absolutely love this helmet. Like I probably said earlier, I'm filming this video actually before I filmed the sit down, but right now I feel my cheeks are still being squeezed in. It is, when did I get this helmet? In March? I think I got this in March, end of March. It's still squeezing my face. No wind noise. Well, I hear wind, obviously you're always going to hear some type of wind, but in terms of it actually like screaming past my ear, it's a huge difference from the LS2 Rapid that I still have it, obviously. The only hang up I've had sometimes is under my right side here. Like under my right ear, there's some wind to come up and go behind it. I don't know if I just didn't put the pads back in right or something, but it's not doing it right now. When you wear a, well, I can't say this for certain, but I was wearing a North Face jacket one time when I was riding, and the wind lifted the back of my jacket up, and you know it was going between my back and the jacket, so it hit the spoiler. So it hit the spoiler of the, no, I don't have a quick shift today, I was just in clutchless shift. It hit the spoiler of the helmet and it started shaking my helmet very violently, like 70, 75, 80. And that was not fun. It was so hard to see when it had it. It was almost like looking in your mirror and your mirror was shaking really bad. That's what my vision looked like at that moment. That's the only problem I've had so far with this helmet, but I don't know if that's a problem with the helmet. It's just a thing that happens when the wind hits it at a certain angle, I guess. But let's see, the visor does fog up very bad when it is, I want to say when it's raining or something like that. It does have that little thing where you can knock it up real quick, the little stopper that I probably showed you earlier. Other than that, man, this helmet's perfect. It has the ear holes in it. It feels great. Once you get up to 60s, when you start hearing a little bit of wind noise, anything under 60 is like perfectly fine. It's pretty quiet. You can hear everybody in your comms. Once you tuck, you can kind of feel your helmet locking in a way. I'm gonna go straight actually. Oh gosh, that was bad. Go, go, go. Oh, it's beautiful out here, man. I hope you guys are still here, man. Still figuring out this mic setup. Wow. Look at how So a lot of people make fun of Ohio, but it is definitely beautiful out here, like the rolling hills and all that stuff. Let's see. Turn your head to the side. Nothing crazy. It doesn't push your head around. It cuts the wind so well, man. And like I said earlier, the reason I bought this is because my chin sticks out. And this does, you have to buy, actually no, this comes with a chin guard, a wind deflector right where your chin is, and it works freaking great. I absolutely love it. Cows over there. Is that a BMW for sale? Yeah, probably not a good buy. Old 5 Series. I did notice the wind noise on the mic is way better. I can still hear myself talking when I get up, like 70 miles an hour. And the only place I hear wind is right by my jawline, like right under my you know, padding, right under the helmet in a very specific spot. So right up here, like where I had the LS2, I could hear it literally everywhere. It was like crazy. Yeah, I don't get that vibe. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh man, I can hear everything so much better. Oh, there goes the wind in behind my ear, which I don't get where that's coming from. Maybe it was just when I have my head turned just a little bit. Huh, I don't know. Maybe my padding is just, I don't know. I know my padding is actually clipped together. I know that's for a fact, but and once you get tucked in down here, that's where the helmet loves to be. In a nice little pocket, because I got that windscreen right there, so when I put it right here, nothing. I had a little bit of wind noise on my right side. Dude, it is loving it down there. All that stuff just, oh man, I love this helmet so much. It still smells like a new shoe. Been wearing it for, what is that, 4 months now, 5? I think it's 4 months. I'll slow down here. But yeah, I just want to do some more videos for you guys, motor vlogs. Maybe take this to some meets, wheelie videos. I remember I watched the last videos I put out on the bike, and the shifting was terrible because when I started making videos on the bike, I had just got the bike, and so my shifting was bad. It just was not good to watch. And this is how loud this bike is when you don't ride it for a while. Then you ride it through a little town like this. It's so loud. The sound was great to ride in. The only things I have felt right is some pressure on my forehead right here. When you put the helmet on, it's like it pushes back one of the padding up here, and the Velcro behind it is like pushing on your head, and it's just a little point. Maybe it's just a shape of my head, but that's one little gripe. Another one, it didn't come, well, it is, well, I guess you can't really hold that against it. It didn't come with a visor, freaking, I can't think, pin lock, the visor thing. I didn't get one of those. The wind stuff works very well. You can tell when it's open, you can tell when it's closed. I don't like that it's on the, for your, oh my gosh, that's getting dry. The front piece right behind the camera, the vents right in front, the chin ones. Oh gosh. You have to reach in the helmet to close it, and it's kind of sucks when you have a wind deflector there. But you can tell when that's open and closed. I think it might be closed right now. Oh, now it's open. Whoa! Oh. You can tell when it's open for real. It's blowing right in your face. Right around your mouth area. You guys might even be able to hear it. But it definitely keeps you cool. I like that. Other than that, I can't think of any gripes with this helmet a few months later. Perfect helmet. I'm so glad I got it. It looks perfect. It fits me perfect, especially if you have I guess I have a long chin, didn't know that, long face. Couldn't tell you, I didn't know that. Back to the inside.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe for more motorcycle content. I will be making more motorcycle content, hopefully. It's hard because my job is, you will see. Just stay tuned. I got all kinds of stuff that I want to do, and I'm gonna really lock in here. Look at this beautiful helmet. Oh my gosh, dude. It just makes you want to go ride. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, share. I will see you when I see you.